Hi, hello friends. Today result 2D and 3D free to pass. Okay. Tomorrow result 2D 9 p.m. draw. Tomorrow free. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. Tomorrow free. Okay, friends. Today I am date 4/9/2024. Today 9 p.m. draw. 14 second round 19. Okay, friends. 9 p.m. draw 3D Lotto. First ball 1, second ball 2, third ball 4. Winning draw result. Okay, friends. Tomorrow I am free. Free result. My channel subscribe and one like. Okay, friends. 2D and 3D Lotto. Date 5 Tarikh 9 2025. 9 p.m. draw 2D free winning draw. My channel subscribe. First round and second round. Okay, friends. No cheating. Okay, friends. My channel like and subscribe. 9 p.m. draw tomorrow. Date 5. 9 p.m. draw 3D Lotto. Winning result today my free. Okay, channel line like, channel subscribe, one like. Tomorrow morning 2D 9 p.m. draw and 3D 9 p.m. draw. Tomorrow free result. Today date 4/9/2025. 9 p.m. draw today 14 19. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw 1 2 4. Okay, friends. I am winning result tomorrow free. My channel like and subscribe. Okay, friends. Thank you.